Hi, my name is Joanna, and today I'm going to be reviewing this garden fence and animal barrier that was sent to me to test out by the company. I've already found that it is a iron fence that is perfect for keeping your garden safe or creating a safe space for your pets. All right, so first we gotta make sure we have everything. So these are the stakes and they are 8 inches long and they're designed to screw into the bottom of the panels for stability when used in the ground. This is zip ties, which provide extra reinforcement for connecting the panels together securely. And then we have the clips, which make it easy to attach the panels seamlessly and keep everything locked in place. Moving on, we have 10 fence panels. These panels are 24.2 inches tall with 8 inches going into the ground if you're using the stakes, leaving 16.2 inches above the ground. Each panel is 12.6 inches wide with a 1.9 inch gap between the bars. Great for keeping the pets contained while allowing visibility. The package also comes with instructions which are straightforward. We started by connecting the fence panels using the clips. These clips make assembly straightforward, locking the panels securely together. The stakes or link bars are designed to screw into the bottom of each panel to provide extra stability when placed into the soil. However, since our ground was frozen, we skipped the stakes. Despite this, the panels remain incredibly sturdy just using the clips. The process is simple. Align the panels, clip them together using the clips, and if you'd like, reinforce the structure with the included zip ties for extra security. While installing, I recommend wearing gloves to protect your hands, especially when handling the stakes or clips. Although gloves are not included in the box, they are a great addition to make the installation easier. As you can see, the fence is holding up perfectly, even without the stakes anchoring it in the soil. My dog Kira is safe and secure inside. This shows how sturdy and durable this fence is, especially when properly assembled. Overall, I'm very impressed with this garden fence and animal barrier. It's made from durable iron, is super easy to assemble, and offer impressive stability. Whether you're defining garden borders, creating a safe play area for your pets, or just enhancing your yard's look, this fence is an excellent choice and I highly recommend it.